In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a live progress bar in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple and effective way to make percentage values much easier to read at a glance. Instead of looking at plain numbers, you'll be able to see visual bars inside your cells that automatically grow or shrink as the values change. It's especially useful for tracking project completion, task status, goals, or any kind of progress report. To begin, select the cells that contain your progress percentages. For example, if your percentages are listed in cells B2 through B5, click and drag to highlight that range. Make sure the cells already contain percentage values, because Excel will use those numbers to generate the bar length. Once your cells are selected, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. This is where you'll find many of the formatting tools used to change how your spreadsheet looks. In this case, we're going to use a built-in feature called conditional formatting, which lets Excel visually respond to the values inside a cell. On the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting. A drop-down menu will appear with several different formatting options. From that menu, move to Data Bars. Data Bars are the feature that creates the progress bar effect by filling each cell with a horizontal bar based on the number inside it. Next, choose a color style for your bars. For example, you can select a blue data bar or a green data bar, depending on the look you want. The color is mostly a visual preference, so choose whatever fits your spreadsheet best or makes the data easiest to understand. As soon as you click your preferred style, Excel will automatically display a progress bar in each of the selected cells. Longer bars will represent higher percentages, and shorter bars will represent lower percentages. This gives you an instant visual comparison without needing to study each number individually. Now, for the best part, the progress bars are live. That means if you update any of the percentage values, the bars will update automatically. For example, if a value changes from 40% to 60%, the bar becomes longer. If another value changes from 75% to 100%, that bar will extend fully to match the completed progress. That's all it takes to create a live progress bar in Excel. It's quick to set up, easy to maintain, and a great way to make your worksheets more visual and professional.